Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I do tutorial videos and I also do entertaining videos. I just like to call it entertainment because it comprises of different kind of videos. Like my first vlog, yeah, that was really hilarious, and spicy noodles challenge with my family. You should probably check that out. I'm going to leave it down in the description box below, so you should go right there and check it, and you should just click on this card up here. It is going to be right there. And then I deal with tutorial videos like how to edit with iMovie, how to edit with kinemaster, how to make your thumbnails and how to upload them. Hair videos, I make natural hair videos like how to style your hair in high puff and 6 different natural hairstyles and also rubber band hairstyles. And if you're interested in knowing how I got this style on, you should probably comment down below and I'll drop the tutorial on it. So without further ado, let's just rush right into the video. The video is going to be about how to upload your banner. I'm sure you guys know how to make your banner. If you do not know how to make your banner, then you should probably check out this video I dropped on how to make your banner. Then we could proceed to how to upload it. I'm going to leave it up there. You could just click on that up there to watch the video and then come back to watch this video, or you could check down in the description box below after you've watched this video. Your banner. But for this video, I'm just going to be telling you guys how to upload your banner. Because for some reason so many people do not know how to upload your banners. After you make them, how do you put it out there for people to actually see what you've created? So that's what this video is going to be about. Please don't forget to subscribe because we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I feel like I've been on this road for a very long time and I cannot just wait to like get to 1,000 subscribers and then get monetized. I cannot wait for that. So without further ado, again, let's just right into the video. Okay, so you're just going to go to Google Chrome because that's where you'll be uploading it from. So you hit on Google Chrome and then you go to YouTube. So again, you click on request desktop site. Then when you have this, you're just going to click on your channel and then you click on, because as you guys know, I've already uploaded the banner, so I'm just teaching you guys, right? So you're just going to click on the banner that is already there, and then after you've done this, you're going to go to your, it says select a photo from your computer, and that's what you want to click on. So just going to click on that. So I'm just going to click on that, and then you're going to come out here. So you're just going to click on the banner that we just edited and click on done. So this is what you have. So this is exactly what you have. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but it fits right in. So you're just going to click on select, and boom, can you see? This is what we have, and that is how to upload your banner. Very quick and very easy. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you like it and I hope you learned how to upload your banner, because that was like the easiest method you could find anywhere for how to upload your YouTube banner after you've edited it. So I hope you like it. Please do not forget to give the video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, because as I said earlier, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So please get me there and please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye.